Question 1. Can you share your screen and create a simple Spring Boot application? During a Zoom interview, the interviewer may ask you to share your screen. They want to see if you can create a basic Spring Boot application. They want to know if you have the basic coding skills. For this question, we need to remember 3 steps. First step, use Spring Initializer. That means go to a browser and type start.spring.io. That's the initializer. Okay, use all the defaults here we can for the small Spring Boot application. So like a project, Maven project language, Java, Spring Boot version 2.7.1, and for the project metadata, we can leave this com.example, and artifact we also leave as demo. We can change it, but we just use demo here. And the names, package name also com.example.demo, and packaging as jar, and the version leave as 17. That's fine. And then very important, we need to add the required dependencies. So for this small simple Spring Boot application, we need to add web dependency. So we type web, select this web dependency. Then we can generate the base project by clicking this generate button here. Okay, so then the demo.zip, that's the project generated automatically by this Spring Initializer. Okay, we can click to open it and close this one, and the demo folder in the zip is here. We minimize this and drag this demo to the desktop, and close this and double click to open it. Okay, step 2. Update the base project generated by Spring Initializer. We need to use IDE to open the project. We recommend IntelliJ or IntelliJ IDEA here. Below this video, we attach the link on how to install IntelliJ, also the link on how to install Java. We need both, and both are very easy to install and set up if you follow the links. Okay, we can double click this pom.xml file to open the demo project in IntelliJ. Okay, it's running, it's loading the project, and then we can see the status bar here, and it takes a few seconds. Okay, look like it's loaded, so we can click demo, source, main, Java, and we see the com.example.demo package. Inside the package, the initializer, Spring Initializer already generated a demo application class. Okay, this class has the main method already generated. We need to create our own class to do all the business work. Here we want to display hello world. So right click on the package and say new class, Java class, and we can use hello as the class name here. Hit enter. So the hello class is generated. And to display a string hello world, we need to create a method returning a string. So we can do public string, and then we can use say hello as the method name, and create this method and return a string hello world. Okay, last step, step 3, add annotations. We need to add 2 annotations. First, we need to add REST controller to the class hello. Then we need to add another annotation, request mapping for the method say hello. You may have noticed my IntelliJ got code sense or auto completion. It automatically provides the annotation hints and automatically import the ones selected. To get this feature, we need to go to File, Setting, and Editor, General, Code Completion, and then we need to select Basic Completion and a Type Matching Completion and Show Suggestions as you type. Okay, if we have not set this feature, then we need to manually import. For example, if we delete this REST controller, now the REST controller is become red, and then if we manually import, we need to hover on this one. Then we see import Alt Shift Enter. So by Alt Shift Enter, then we can manually import this annotation. Add REST controller. The annotation indicates this hello class is a REST controller class. It will handle all the incoming HTTP requests for this whole application. And add request mapping indicates that this method annotated is the one to handle the incoming GET request. By default, the add request mapping implies GET request mapping. For add request mapping, we need to provide the method mapping path. We can use hello here, slash hello, like this, slash. That's the mapping path for add request mapping. And then we can run the code. We need to go to the method. If it's the first time run, we need to go to the class with main method. So click the green button and then run this application with main. Okay, it's running. We see the status here. Okay, now this is the console. We see the what's going on, and we see the embedded Tomcat started on port 8080. This simple Spring Boot application is running on my local web server on port 8080, so we can access the application with localhost 8080. Since in the hello class we use the add requesting mapping with the map slash hello, then we can access this say hello method like this. So minimize this, go to browser, we can type localhost 8080, then we start a method mapping hello. Then we hit enter, we see hello world is displayed.